Yeah, Karthik and Sana. So we both work in IT industry in Bangalore. So she works into investment banking, and I work in the software industry. So I think in my last book club talk, I was talking about becoming from this book, becoming a person of influence, right? So I was talking about being a navigator. Okay, just to provide a recap, we discussed about who is a navigator, and navigator. We discussed 2 points. One is how navigator helps in identifying the destination of his team. Okay, what do they cry about, what do they sing about, what do they dream about, and navigate plots the course, right? So where they need to go, what they need to know, how they need to grow. Okay, so we discussed these points. So we'll continue with this. I wanted to share another 2 3 important points which are much more important than the previous ones. Okay, so let me quickly share my screen. So I hope you are able to see, right? Okay, so being a navigator, this is what we were discussing, right? In the third step, what we were discussing in the navigator, a navigator thinks ahead. Okay, so the author talks about this very beautiful line: a good test of a test of leadership is to see whether the leader recognizes the problem before the problem becomes an emergency, right? It's definitely a known thing, right? With less experienced people at the first cannot be, they cannot see the problems, right? But the leader with experience should be able to recognize that before it becomes an emergency, right? So everybody faces problems, correct? So if you think you don't have a problem, I'm not sure if you are alive or not. Okay, so the author again tells, if a person without a problem is out of the game, right? So there was one research survey taken and to see what were the pressing items with people. Okay, so let me quickly share that. So if you see this survey results, 39% of the people are having financial problems, right? 16% job related, 12% personal health, 8% time and stress, 7% parenting, 6% educational attainment, 3% fear of crime, and personal relationships. So if I think we all belong somewhere here, and if you think only you have the problem, nobody else has the problem, then please wake up, guys, right? So next thing is I wanted to share, successful people face more problems than unsuccessful people. Okay, so have you ever had a chat with your friends or colleagues or whoever, thinking about your past when you were a bachelor and making less money, so you were more happy than when you were married, having kids, and a lot of commitments, right? So you seem to be more successful, but when you are successful, why we need to talk about our past? But we end up talking like that sometimes, right? So we successful people, again, when they have a problem, the good news is that they will have a chance to develop themselves and grow. Okay, that is the only way they can turn problems into opportunities rather than obstacles, right? So money alone doesn't solve problems, right? So again, the author talks about one interesting news. If a person is making $25,000 a year and he is able to manage his finances properly and he is happy, even if he gets a lot of money, he will still be able to manage and be happy. But at the same time, if a person is making $25,000 a year, but he is not happy, he is dissatisfied, even if you give a lot of money, he will still remain unhappy and dissatisfied, right? So you should be in a position to manage your finances properly and make lot of money. And definitely, there is a saying, right? I mean, I don't know if you believe, but I personally believe if crying in a Mercedes is always better than crying on a bicycle, right? And then problems provide an opportunity for growth. As I was telling, whenever you have adversity, or you converting those problems into opportunities, how do you do that, right? If like in any case, if any person gets a problem, he will act in 4 ways, right? Either of the 4 ways. What are those 4 ways? He'll either retreat into the past. Okay, he or she daydream about the future, retreat within, wait for someone to rescue them, or face the crisis and transform it into something useful. Okay, so I wanted to personally share my story. Like in 2019 and 2020, I was having a back-to-back family issues and family problems, and problem was a less word, it was more of a pain. I was not able to handle, I mean, I was not in a position to handle it. So that's when I realized, if you're watching this video today and if you're watching me my talks from quite a while now, this is because of the result of that adversity which I was in. Okay, so I was able to convert that adversity, and a lot of you guys are able to be impacted positively, and I'm able to we are able to run this book club newly impacting so many of you means this is because of the adversity which I was in and the pain and problem which I faced, okay, during 2019 and 20. So I was able to transform it into something useful, okay. And navigator makes course corrections, right? So I mean, the author again says, if you are talking about the same problem last which you had last year, then you need to open your eyes, right? So if you are like, the problems need to keep changing, okay. The measure of success is not how tough your problem is, it's whether your problem is changed or not, right? So he again tells, teach them not to listen to doubting critics. Again, we have, like, we have countless critics, right, in the world. That is an open secret. Course them not to be overwhelmed by challenges. Again, challenges are bound to happen. We need to figure out, make it specific, make the problem specific, come up with theories, see what are the consequences of taking the theory in keeping your big picture in mind, right? And encourage them to seek simple solutions and instill confidence in them, right? So before I wanted to end, I wanted to tell this small story of Edison. So this Thomas Edison, you know how we used to hire engineers, okay. He used to go, whenever an engineer during the hiring process, he used to tell them, he used to give a light bulb and ask, how much water does this light bulb hold, okay. So to this response, like the engineers, one part of engineers used to come up with this experiment. Like they used to use gauges or something we used to use, right? And with that, they used to measure the angles of the bulb, and based on those figures, they used to calculate the surface area. It used to take 20 minutes, right? And the second part of engineers, what they used to do, they used to fill this bulb with the water, and they used to pour this water on a measuring cap, and it hardly used to take 1 minute. So Edison never hired people who belong to the first category. Okay, he always was looking for people who find simple solutions, right? So we are all complicated creatures who are with our experience. We need to find simple solutions, solve it. Okay, be it right or wrong. If it is wrong, it will slap on your face, right? Again, you can correct it. Okay, find simple solutions, implement it quickly, and finally, navigator stays with people, right? So if you're a best friend, who is your best friend? He's someone who can stretch you or make a best out of you, okay, make the best out of your potential, okay. So navigator stays with people. So these are some three important points which I wanted to share, and thank you so much.